Yes. No, videos has been. Now, huh? Hmm. No videos has been. No, for you to वो लैंग्वेज की को लैंग्वेज बोले लैंग्वेज वो क्या तुझे कौन आएगा हमारे तुझे खा और जो এটা orally no no ঠিক আছে আমি David hope you alive are you alive hoping you're alive let me see my face so let's hope it video good hope that you feel more good about your videos audio video I did no one watching detail link what everything this is no anyway life is it was good in the life yes the life is good the life hello 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 guys yes okay so it's really slow I guess but slow sorry yeah slow language we're learning go so go I'm going with go example so I'll go by example it's great you could learn if you want to learn so really want to learn it so I'll go so open up for language expert so I think these all Nice quality so bad. So bad, bro. But no, it's correct. But no, it's correct. Yeah, it seems right. Pointers, we study pointers. Now we start with structure. So go by example structs. That's so structs are the type of collection of fields that are useful for grouping the structure together in forms. Yeah, it's right. Now I think it's more like so go by example structs. That's so structs are the type of collection of fields that are useful for grouping the structure together in forms. Yeah, it's right. Now I think it's more like is it like my co-voice is echoing something like that? No? ये थोड़ा कमाल है था कैप्चर इसको बंद कर देना चाहिए hope now it's good my co-voice is echoing something थोड़ा कमाल है था कैप्चर इसको बंद कर देना चाहिए hope now is everything is good my co-voice is echoing something still echoing what so this person structure type has a name of fields. A new person construct a new person struct with a given name. Go is a garbage collection language. You can use specific returns, pointers, and local variables only for cleaning up the garbage collection when it starts no action. So this person structure type has a name of fields. A new person construct a new person struct with a given name. Go is a garbage collection language. You can use specific I still echoing pointers and local variables. Garbage collection starts no action. You stop this. What happens? Now I think mic is audible clearly. Let's see. You stop this. Now mic is audible. Oh yeah, I get you. I get you. Get you. Same is repeating now. This voice is taking. That's why. Oh ho ho. Now it's everything should be correct. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, I get you. My phone voice is recording. Surely that's my bad. Okay, Go structures are a type of collection of fields. They are useful for grouping the data structure from the records. For from records, this person structure types. This person stock type has a name and age field. Like a person. This is stock for person. Okay. What is type? We use type to declare stock what name should be a string type and an age is in it. Okay, we have to define like this type person to define the structure. Like in C, you write struct, then the variable is different here. Anyways, so then you write func, a function, and new person, writing a new function which is parameter of name string and person. This whatever the variable we created or uh, data structure we created, which is pointing to this. It should point whatever it will return. I think so, isn't it? Should that do that? So yeah, that should do it. Is anyone here? I don't think so. No one is. Yeah, no one is. No one is here. So yeah, everything is working seamlessly. Go garbage collection language. Go is a garbage collected language, so you can save. Can safely return a pointer to a local variable. Okay, a pointer to a local variable. That's mean, bro. Go is a garbage is like memory management. You don't have to specifically in what she does. Okay, so let me use marker dash. So I'll try to explain if anyone watching after nights ended up. Possibility is very less. Anyways, so this program is struck. So what is a garbage collector means? Garbage collector is like traditional language like Java has a garbage collector, and most of like JavaScript also does. JavaScript, JS, I can't write. Okay, so JavaScript also does, and most of the languages except C. I think C++ also doesn't have it. Yeah, C++ also doesn't have it. This doesn't have. Rust use different way to do it, like memory. So why we need a garbage collector is simple. Whenever you declare a variable, so whenever you declare a variable, need to store that it contains a data type, data, and it's also type in static languages, of course. So it need a space to store something, like store that variables in memory. When you store that variable, it takes something like if it's an integer, it will take 4 byte. If it is an character, it will take one. Depends. It like that. So whenever you're not using that variable again, in like traditional language like Go does have a garbage collector. It constantly checks, constantly checks that if this variable is not used again. Like for example, name variable which is a string. If you're not using it again when you write a big program, when you're not using it, it is freeze that automatically depending on you're not using it. You know, it has a garbage collector. It does something, and I never built a direct garbage collector from scratch, so I don't know. It does something like that. So Go also does that, but in C you have to like define something very different. Not in every cases, when you're doing something big, you're writing a function. So I don't know. I never use malloc also in C, so I have to do it. We'll do it someday. Writing C. Just assume that. Anyways, so let's go. So Go is a garage collected language, so you can safely return a pointer to local variable. It will only be cleared up by the garbage collector when there are no active reference to it. Okay, there is when you're not referencing a pointer to any like variable, then it automatically clears Go. So here we are writing a function which will pass a parameter name, a pointer, which person is this struct data type is pointing to this function, I guess, and we are assigning whatever that variable to which should carry. What is this? Yeah, what is kind of syntax is this? This is what the syntax. I don't know. What is this mean? So let's search it. Go. तो लिखा नहीं था. This one. Go is short for variable declaration. Creates initial as new instance of structure type name person. Components the variable name is when declared. Short of variable declaration is request to be automatically and creates a person. Okay. So it creates an instance something where when you're using a structure, you have to do it like that. Whatever name is, like constructor use करते हैं जैसे like that like p dot h is 42 and return that if someone is watching us. Yes, if someone is watching us, I don't know. That's someone. Let's go to our YouTube. Let's see. Someone's like constructor use करते हैं जैसे like that like p dot h is 42 and return that if someone is watching us. Yes, if someone is watching us, I don't know. That's someone. Let's go to our YouTube. Let's see. Someone's like this is recursion. Me watching my video that I'm watching my video. This is the recursion actually. So like my video so that watch it. But anyways, so go. So let's trying to understand this, function what is doing, a pointer pointing to. This is recursion, me watching my video that I'm watching my video. This is the recursion actually. So like my video so that watch it. But anyways, so go. So let's trying to understand this, function what is doing, a pointer pointing to. This is recursion, me watching my video that I'm watching my video. This is the recursion actually. What is this going on? Anyways, forget. So good. It is happening here, bro, man. Okay. So let's trying to understand this, function what is doing, a pointer pointing. There's a new person named string. This is how do it. You do it like person p dot h. What is this going on? Anyways, so forget age 42 and returning the address of that p. Happening here, bro, man. So if you print person is a new pop and age 20, it should pop and 20 like in this video. Oh, okay. So this is how we use that. Okay, it's well time. Take me time to head around. Address of that p. So if you print, okay, what what to this cost this. Otherwise, it's going to be something. So person name. So run this. So person name Alice age 30. Print person. Fred person key. It's 42. New person. Person age 50. Dog. Stroke. Another containing a rock. I don't know what is this. When the syntax are created new stock, you can make fill and initialize stock using to learn C sharp. We don't have any what classes and all. Classes थोड़ा easy हो जाता to do it. So that's the point. Structure. What methods? Same. We created type stock with void this and both will be an integer type. Function area react react area return. Bro, I have to watch a video, bro. I'm not getting it. Have to watch the video to get the structure, defending and struct method in interface enums. This will have to watch a video. So for today, we're ending here. Thank you for anyone if watching it. We'll try to teach, probably a better thing. Actually, I'm just testing this one. Learning role. I literally download OBS right now. So just a few minutes before. So just like this. We're not using ChatGPT because we should not use it ChatGPT all the time. I'm not also programming. By the way, if you program, let's show me your terminal guys. This is how we do. Uh, so go to E. Oh, it did that. Okay, it doesn't use CD. Then when we use Vim, if you're not using it, this makes you like initially now in the initial phase, so it's going to be hard. You wrote together. Thread hello function. So let me make it full screen. This one we don't need it actually. So we'll do no. And I was using slices and edit. Now let's go. This is draw new edit. What is this? Everything is working fine. So this it's like I'm gaming, my so it's so we can do 5k to go up, db to delete the warning, no changes applied. You can undo to this thing. Anyway, I'm quitting. Okay. Thank you. Right. Yes, my boy. And that's it from me. And that's all, guys. Today we're ending here our stream. I was a test stream. We'll probably plan something different today somewhere. So if you guys watching it, you can correct literally anything.